Well, guys, I just had to share with you my Christmas presents. Look at that beautiful thing. I don't think I've ever seen such pretty flowers. Haven't received flowers in many, many, many years, but they're just beautiful. I'm gonna go up close so you can see the under the bow, the bells, balls, and there's roses, there's carnations, this is some kind of lily, baby's breath. I don't know what those are up there, but look at how they sprayed it with the gold. And then you've got the silver mixed in there with it. Oh, they're just so, so pretty. This is from a friend. And the card just said, I hope it brightens your day. Well, how could it not? When the young lady rang the doorbell, I told her, I said, are you sure you have the right house? And she said, yes, ma'am. And she asked me my name, and I said, yep, that's me. So it was such a joy. And aren't my placemat, the thing that I've got under it, I, of course, got a set of those at an estate sale. They are the prettiest little things. But since I don't serve big Christmas dinners anymore, I don't get to use it. I use my table for sewing, as you can tell. I'm gonna go around this way so you can get a view from there. Just the prettiest things I ever saw. Okay, and now I want to, I'm going to put the camera down and I'll come back in just a second. I'm going to show you a gift that I got from a fan. I don't call her a fan, I call her a dear friend. But anyway, I'll tell you about that in just a minute. Last year, this sweet young lady, her name is Dorinda, and she's from Florida, and she made this beautiful pillow, and she sent that to me last year, and I cherish it, and it sits there in my rocker every Christmas. It will be every Christmas from now on. This I received from a dear friend that I've known for 25, 30 years. She knows how cold-natured I am, and it's a throw. I just put it across my chair because she knows she's gotten me something almost every year with gingerbread men on it because she knows that's my go-to for Christmas is gingerbread. And I'll show you some of my other decorations of gingerbread in just a minute. But those are cherished gifts, and I've kind of gotten away from gingerbread all over the house, but I still have some scattered here and there and everywhere. This is a darling little bear I got at an estate sale. I want you to get a close look at that sweater. That's what I love, is that little sweater. So precious. I love. Of course, that table topper is the one I made, that I put seasonal. And that's my Christmas one. And that's my mantle. A neighbor, when I lived over in Hereford, Texas, gave me the little silver house, and it has a candle in it. And the little lampshade, isn't that darling? I got that at an estate sale. And the faith with the house, my friend that gave me the throw gave me that also. And then the wreath, gorgeous wreath, I got it in an estate sale. Now this, I purchased the houses, and it lights up and it comes on every day at 5 and is on till I go to bed. And it's simple, a simple mantle, but I like it. I think it's just gorgeous. And this is part of what I have in my house, in the kitchen. And I think Leanna is her name that gives me the gingerbread. And she gave me the cup and the saucer and the teapot. And the candle ring, I got it in estate sale, and the candle. And this, the gingerbread throw, we used to have a store that was like a consignment store, and everybody had different crafts. I got that there. It's not there anymore. I miss that shop so much. But that's, I thought that just needed to be on my bar. So, and then over here is my, the lights aren't on. I'm going to have to go turn it on for you. Hold on just a second. Okay, this is my last little decoration. And since I don't have a tree this year, top third of it burned up last year, and I just don't want to go buy a new tree. So these are my only decorations, but they bring joy to me. Leanna, my friend, bought me the little dish and the gingerbread collector man, and I got the pillow at an estate sale. And I made the penny mat. It's made out of felt, appliqued and done with a buttonhole stitch or blanket stitch or whatever you want to call it. It was a lot of fun to make. I've had it for 4 or 5 years, but I enjoy it so much. So that's that's the sum of all my decorations now and my beautiful presents. But let's go open our other present. Hold on. This is my gift from Dorinda from Florida. I made her a nickel and dime t-shirt, and she loves it. And I made it in blacks and pinks, and she sent me a picture with her wearing it, and she had on pink pants, and she was so cute. And she is a friend. She is truly a friend. I will never have the opportunity to meet her, but I sent her a tea towel, and she sent me a picture of her beautiful home with that towel on this curio cabinet. And it went with it just perfect. She and I are of like minds, I guess. She just figured me out from my videos, and I guess I'm getting to figure who she is. So we are like-minded, and I know I converse with a lot of you, and I feel the same way about y'all. You've become dear friends, and always will be. So I know it's probably something she made. Well, I don't know if it is or not. Look at that beautiful little bag. Isn't that pretty? Just the bag is beautiful. Oh, my stars. Look what she made. Oh, look at that. There's a pair of scissors. There's a heart, and it says, "Blessed are the peacemakers." And there's a little sewing machine and a pearl. How precious. Is that not just, I tell you, the joy we receive from such simple things in life, isn't it? Somebody knows my heart well, don't they? Thank you, Dorinda. It's just gorgeous. So, so precious. I thank you with all my heart. Alrighty. that's all of my Christmas. I hope you just have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Christmas. And I will be gone when this is going to come on. I'm going to go see my sister. And so I'll post this while I'm gone, but I'll be gone from my home. And I'll post it from down there at Fredericksburg. But you have a blessed, blessed Christmas, okay? And thank you for, I've been on YouTube now for 5 years. I cannot believe it's been that long. I'm not making a dime off of it yet. I probably never will. But I have 2,213 subscribers, and that means everything to me. And I have over 150,000 views on Nickel and Dime Decor over the 5 years. So it's been a blessing. It's been truly a blessing. All right, Merry Christmas, and thank you so much. God bless.